Many of you guys, when they first saw the video with the sound change, they said, "Oh, he's switching microphones." Let me be clear, first of all, actually. This is not a solution that I will run with. It was taken as a challenge because I've seen it done on some cars, especially American muscle cars, and I couldn't find one for a bike, so I went and bought one for a car, which presented its own challenges because it's too big, even though the valve was only 2.5 inch, but the mounting, you can see it there. I mean, it came with stuff like this. Look at that. And this, and some seals and what have you. It was just too much. Anyway, so it is a hardware solution. Some of you said we've seen it on other bikes, but this is external. It's not internal. It's nothing to do with the baffle. You can see here it's plugged into the CAN bus on the Nuda, which provides it power. There is a receiver there, and then on the other side, at the bottom here, you can see the actual valve. Oops. I tied some brass cable on it just in case, even though it's 100% secure. Welding was another matter. It's aluminium or aluminum if you are American, onto stainless steel, which was a big problem. Anyway, I sorted it, sealed it. It's 100% secure. And what happens is, when, let me start the bike. So this is with standard sound, and I drop. Oh, I dropped the remote. So there is. Sorry, I dropped the remote. There is the remote. If you look at the valve there, and I press open, so that's the sound. Close it. That's a bus. I thought I set off an alarm. Anyway, so there has to be a solution like this for, especially for countries where you're not allowed to have loud bikes. So it could be a opportunity for some manufacturers to come up with something which is small, nimble, fits on any bike, and easily controlled like this. And then people were saying, "Oh, you've got the remote on your tank here, it's not safe." I mean, allow some creative freedom, guys. I wasn't gonna ride with it like that. It was just there for show. Anyway, so that's the solution. I fitted it to a standard Nuda exhaust because I've got two of them. Unfortunately, I've got two of them because the first Nuda was stolen, so I could actually sacrifice this one. But as I said at the beginning of the video, this is not a solution I would ride with. It's a bit too loud. There's no quality to the sound, but it proves a concept, and that's the challenge that I took, which is to prove a concept and see if I can do it. Because day in, day out, I work with my brain, and I welcome any time to work with my hands. That's basically it. Now, before I get accused of littering like I did in so many other videos, these will go back with me, and people again don't have any creativity to know that I don't leave stuff behind.